Alright, part 3 of the transmission moving video. As you can see, this is what I was talking about right here. The wheel actually sunk in right there. And then I couldn't move the thing anymore. So, connected the chain to another chain to a 1-ton chain hoist. And it's a bit awkward. It's the first time I've actually used one of these things. And it was probably because it's new, it was some interference. The chains weren't really working very well, but I think this thing is really designed to work vertically. It doesn't work very well horizontally unless you tweak it. So I find that I have to hold the chains tight like that together. If I just pull on one end, then chain on this side sometimes falls out of engagement and locks here. And I just made sure I stretched this out like that, the load chain out, and it's moving. So I think now I can finally pull it by hand again. The fucking Archimedes, guys. Yeah, we're getting there. We're definitely getting there.